Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mr. Effiong, an award-winning data scientist, researcher, software developer and programmer. It's so good to have you here once again. In today's class, we would like to continue from the new series we started. In the last class, launched a new series called Database Management using MySQL. And in the very first class of the series, we learned what MySQL is. It's a relational database management system that is open source, and we can use it to create and manage databases. And we also learned how to design a table after the database is created. And we looked at the various data types that are used to design a table in MySQL. And we finally agreed in that class that today's class will be a continuation and will insert records in the newly created table. So we'll be heading straight to the work environment to begin the class proper. But before doing that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button so that we can offer you quality tech videos to grow in the tech ecosystem. Thank you for doing that. Now let's proceed to the main work environment to begin the class proper. Welcome to the work environment. This is the MySQL work environment. We launched this from the XAMPP server. XAMPP is a local host server for operating MySQL. And in the last class, we created the database and we called it students. And the students contain a table called profile. So we'll look at the navigation pane at the left hand where we have the list of databases in the server. And we locate the one created in the last class, which is students. We click on it. Okay, so this is the student database, and we have the table called profile. This is the profile table. We just created only one table in the database. So I click on the profile table. Okay, this is the structure of the table that shows the fields, the data type, all that we designed in the last class. Now to insert records into this newly created table, we locate the tab called Insert. The Insert tab. This is the Insert tab. We click on it. So it is used for inserting new records when you're using phpMyAdmin from XAMPP server. So I click on Insert, and it takes me to the environment where I will insert my records. Now you can insert two records at once, or you can insert a record at once, or you can insert all the records at once. So we are going to insert at least two records at a time, so that we will not rush things, and the message for this class will be passed across. So let's proceed to insert records in the newly created table. Alright, so we start with the first field, which is the ID for the first student. We'll key it in from the data set I displayed in the last class. This is ST001. We'll come down. The name of the student is Angela. So we key in Angela, and our department is Infotech. So we key in Infotech. We come down. Her gender is female. We scroll down. Date of birth. Date of birth is 1991, the year first. We can use the calendar, but let's just key it into save time. 1991 second 20. Her state of origin is Abia, and her mobile number is 201. This is just a sample mobile number to illustrate the example. Now we are done with the first record. If you just want to upload the first record to the table, you can click on this button, go, or you can decide to just enter for the second record, then you upload the two at once using any of the go button. So let's take the second record. The map number is ST002. The name is Marcus. The department is cyber. It's in the department of cyber security. So we take cyber, and we come down to the gender, male, and the date of birth 2001/3/12, and the state is Lagos. and the state is Lagos, and his phone number is 202. So with this, I can click on go to send the two records to the table, or I can still insert new row for more record entry. So let's click on go. We click on go, and it has prompted me 2 rows are inserted. Good. So we still click on insert again to insert the remaining 3 records. So I click on insert. It brings me back to the insertion section where I will insert my record. So I move for the third record. This is ST003 for the third person, who goes by the name Joe. Enter the name Joe. The department is software. Department is software. The gender is male. We'll scroll down. The date of birth. Joe's date of birth is 1989-12-22. His state of origin is Akwa Ibom. And the mobile number is 203. We'll move for the fourth record. The fourth record is the MAC number is ST004. The name is Tina. The department is computer science. The gender is female. And the date of birth is 2003/4/15, and the state is Edo, and this is 204, and I click on go. So we've inserted another 2 rows. This is the process on you can insert all the remaining records. Now, to confirm whether your records are properly and accurately inserted in the database, we come to the navigation pane by the left and we click on the table profile, and it will show you the inserted records. You can see them, all the records inserted. So you can insert many more records, and you can also edit. Maybe there's an error identified, you can click on this button, this icon, for editing and make necessary correction and still save again. I remain Mr. Effiong. It's been a wonderful journey with you, my wonderful viewers. I hope to see you in the next class as we continue the database management series. Bye.